How you doing, everybody? It's me, Max Farrell from DexFX In this segment, I really want to talk to you about the 1 hour signals, basically like any particular signal. But what's a good price range to look at when we're buying them over on Nadex? And what contracts should we really get into? There's a lot of different theories out there. There's a lot of different processes. But let me tell you right now that the simplest one is that I always look at the amount of my success rate of what I should be trying to do with the pair plus a couple dollars, right? So if my success rate is 87%, I know that I want to be trading more than $13, right? Why do I say that? Well, simply because the lower success rate, the more money you need to be able to make. Now, in some cases, the amount that you're going for, so like in our case here with the Euro USD of $25, how far does the pair have to come close to breaking expiry, okay, for it to grab that $25 price? And I'm going to tell you, it has to get not super close, but pretty close. And the higher the number on the profit margin side, the closer you need to be to breaking that statement, okay, or proving this statement, whichever side you're on, for it to get filled. Now, what I mean by getting filled is that somebody or a market maker or another trader will purchase this for the opposite side of the trade. Now, the lower you have that, the more enticing it is for them to be able to buy it, because they really want to be able to make money as well. But also remember that there's a reverse risk to reward ratio here, that because we're in the money, ITM, so far, having it sit at $25, it could still get bought if it gets down to, say, or gets all the way up for the sell, closer to the 1030 side. If it were to get to like 1025 or 26, it could actually get bought. And if it were to win, you would win your 25 bucks. But if it were to lose, you would lose 75. So that means that's a 3-to-1 or 1-to-3 risk to reward. I'm risking $75 to make 25, right? So in that case, you don't want to be losing 4 or 5 of these a day, right? Because you'd be losing 4 or 5 $75 hits. So, or 4 contracts in the system. So you have to keep that in mind. So the better opportunities are, see, the USD CHF just got picked up for its $25. Now, how far close did it get? 99.18. Well, we're at 99.14. That's only 4 pips away. Okay, so it had to get pretty close for it to really pick up that $25. Now, if I had it at $20 or even $15, it would have gotten picked up probably a lot sooner, but you wouldn't have made as much money per each trade, and it still has an opportunity to lose. So when it does lose, you got to make more trades back. But here's where the skip comes in. Sometimes having it a little bit lower, at like I have it at 25, you're going to get them bought, and then you get in more trades. And because you have a higher winning ratio, you'll make more money. I know it seems weird, right? But if you have it set at 30 or 35, you'll get less trades, but you'll get less fills, of course, and you'll get less wins over the losses. Losers will always fill. Winners may not. So keep that in mind. This is exciting because that filled in right in front of you, so you were able to see that in this episode. I'll put a little link in showing it winning from this point, if it does win from that solution, so it'll be exciting. It looks like it came in and just grabbed it, and it's 99.23 right now, and just bounced. And what does that look like? Let's go over and have a look. USD CHF. It looks like this. Okay, came all the way down and picked it up. It bounced off of what? That's right, our support and resistance area right at the SMA, which has been all the way down here. So we didn't even cheat that up. I don't think we cheated that up at all, which is really exciting. We could have. Wait, did we? Did we cheat that up? Maybe we did. Hang on a second. This is unedited, so I apologize. 99.14. Yeah, I think our original signal, USD CHF, was 99.13. That's right. Because we were in the buy. Yeah. There we go. So we did come up a little bit on that. So that was pretty good. All right. I'm Max. This is DexFxMarkets.com. I look forward to seeing you next time. And as always, trade well.